subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC has launched its new budget smartphone in Russia as well as in South Africa called HTC Wildfire Lite with classic old design. Talking about the specifications, the HTC Wildfire Lite supports a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio A20 chipset paired with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 128GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the HTC Wildfire Lite features a horizontally aligned dual camera setup on the rear at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual ray camera includes 8MP main camera with f2.0 aperture and a 0.3MP VGA camera for depth sensing with f2.8 aperture. For selfies, it has an 5MP camera under the thick bezel on the top with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 under Go edition and it packs with 3000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an ray-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147.86 by 71.4 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 160 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The HTC Wildfire Lite has been priced in Russia at 7,790 Russian rubles, while in South Africa it is priced at 1,549 South African rands. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black color option. So, what do you guys think of this HTC Wildfire Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.